Hello everyone, welcome back to Aerospace Engineering powered by Your Engineer. I am Sandeep Tripathi and I am going to make 3 announcements on this channel. First announcement, that you will get all the information regarding aerospace engineering, whether it is from higher education, abroad studies, GATE exam, ESE exam, or whatever competitive exam that you can opt for within aerospace engineering. Also about the training, internship and placement related videos from aerospace engineering. Every information about aerospace engineering will be available on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed this channel, hit the red button and subscribe it. Also press the bell icon for more notifications. Now second announcement is that I am going to review GATE Aerospace 2021 and also Your Engineer is posting the video solutions for GATE Aerospace Engineering 2021. So let's talk about the review first. GATE Aerospace 2021 was held on 6th of February on Saturday, and according to the news sources, around 71 to 75% students have only opted for that exam. Why? Because of the ongoing protest, the farmers' protest that's going on in NCR region. So due to that, very less students have opted for the exam. Also, we can expect a cutoff of 23 to 26. Why is there a range? First of all, the students' reviews have said that the paper was from easy to moderate. That means the cutoff will increase. But since the attendance of the students were very low, so we can say that cutoff will decrease. So there will be a range from 23 to 26. Okay, that will be the range for GATE 2021 cutoff. Now, according to me, it will be 24. Okay, 24 or 25. That will be the best option. Don't go for lower circuit, don't go for upper circuit. Okay, anything can happen, but 24, 25 will be the best thing that will happen in GATE Aerospace 2021. Now, what was the review of the paper? So, the major portion of the exam was aircraft propulsion. Okay, in this exam, aircraft propulsion has hit many questions, and students have said that aircraft propulsion was also easy, and more questions were there from it. Now, aerodynamics have the less impact on this GATE 2021. So, whenever the question paper will be out on the official website, we will make video solutions of those paper. Okay, those questions that will be available, and we will make the video solutions. Why video solution is necessary? So that you can get to know that what you have done, how you have approached that particular question in your GATE exam, and how you should approach the question in GATE exam. Fine. So whenever that will be available, we will make the video solution. So that was the second announcement. Now third announcement. Third announcement is a very important and very crucial one. We all know that the COVID-19 has affected everyone, and the preparation of all the students, whether they are of third year, fourth year, or passed out this year. So all the students have faced many problems in their college regarding study, regarding everything, from understanding the concepts, understanding the in-depth concepts, or they were just busy in doing the papers, doing the exams of their universities, so that they didn't get the time to understand the basics of the GATE Aerospace Engineering. So we are launching the GATE Aerospace 2022 preparation from 25th of February. So the first batch of GATE Aerospace 2022 will be conducted from 25th February 2021. Mark that words, 25th February 2021. Now, for admission in batch 1, a scholarship test will be conducted, which will be of such format that 30 multiple choice questions will be there. The exam will be of 30 minutes. Each question will be of 1 marks, and also with a negative marking of 1 marks. Now, the major thing is that if you get X% in that particular exam, you will get X% scholarship in the fees. Okay. Now, what's in the package for GATE Aerospace 2022 preparation? First of all, we will begin from scratch. We don't know whether you know anything in aerospace engineering or not. Okay. If you know, that's fine. If you don't know, still it's fine, because we will begin from scratch and we will give you in-depth understanding of all the concepts. Second, you will get access to 1000+ mock tests, where you will get all the online quizzes, from daily quizzes to weekly quizzes to weekend revision quizzes to sectional tests and full mock test, everything from February to the next January, we will cover each and everything. Okay, so as early you start the preparation, most benefit you will get. Fine. So also the live classes will be from weekdays, like from Monday to Friday. In the weekend there will be weekend test and also a weekend revision, okay, based on that test. Doubt session will be held every day so that you can ask doubts in that particular doubt session. Now the batches will run in evening so that your classes won't get affected. Okay, whatever classes you are going to cover in your university, that won't get affected. Okay, next and most important thing will be that you will get an opportunity to interact with lecturers and professors from IITs as well as the various foreign universities. Okay, better stay connected for that, and if you haven't subscribed it, subscribe this channel, share this video, and like this video. Also, the link for registration of scholarship test is given in the description. Okay, so go and check the link, sign up on the Your Engineer, and you will get each and every information about engineering. First, you will get access to all those information about exams, about higher education, about training, placement and everything first of the time. Okay, so thank you very much, and stay connected.